Hey everyone, in today's video we're going to be showing you how to install this Eurowise Baja filler plate. This filler plate is not only going to allow you to clean up the look of your car a little bit, but also add some protection. This is my 957. This will apply for 955 and 957, and in the future 958 for all of you running the Baja front bumper setups. Mine here has the front winch, but I also have some lights installed. I also do have the Eurowise skid plate. If you're wondering, yes, it does clear the skid plate. It does clear your AC lines. It uses all factory mounting locations here. There's no drilling or tapping needed. We'll show you exactly what socket you need. The placement for this is going to be right here in the corner. It helps protect your AC lines, but it uses all the factory mounting locations here. This plate specifically, I had powder coated for this video. I wanted it to streamline the look of my vehicle. They are being offered in a raw finish. If you did want yours powder coated, you can potentially reach out to info@eurowise.com and see if they can offer that for you. So for this installation, you can very easily install this on your garage floor or on your driveway. For the purpose of this video, to make sure we can show you everything properly, it is up on a lift. Your mounting points are going to be right here to the left of your radiator if you're at my angle, and then you have one other installation spot right here for the rear. Your fender liner, you will need to have cut flush with this part of the frame. A lot of you guys that have the Baja front bumper are going to already have to trim your fender liner. So for us, we'll just mock it up right here. Make sure that the cutout matches here, and then your front two holes will line up here, and then we can go ahead and get them threaded and we'll get it bolted in. These two front ones are going to be a 13 millimeter and the rear one is going to be a 10 millimeter. There is an access hole here on the side. You're going to want to look up straight from the bottom and you'll be able to line your bolts up and get it hand started. For this video, we're going to be using an extension on the end here with a 10 millimeter, and then we'll be able to get it started. So for when we're installing the rear section here, I would advise you to leave the two front ones slightly loose so that you're able to maneuver the plate. I'm going to tighten it from here. Like I said, you don't want to over tighten this. You just want it to be firm. Don't want to over tighten it. As we showed you, it's just the two 13s up in the front and the 10 millimeter in the rear. This process will be the exact same for the driver's side, which we'll show you real quick on this side. This plate specifically has a cutout for your AC line, so when you go to install it, you're just going to hook it around like so, and then you'll be able to install it. There is, I'm holding it down for now, but there's a line right here on the side. Just make sure everything clears properly, everything bolts up, and then you'll be good to go. This concludes the installation for the Eurowise Baja filler plate. If you have any questions or concerns or issues with installation regarding your order, you can always contact them at info@eurowise.com. They'll be more than happy to help you out with your install. And until then, thank you so much for watching.